Christian devotees of Manipur joined the world in celebrating Easter Sunday across the state today. The devotees celebrated the day from morning by reciting Bible verses and performing hymns praising Jesus Christ. Easter Sunday was celebrated today at United Baptist Church located at Luang Sambam Chingol Lekai with great religious fervor and devotion. Pastor Reverend Salam Basanta Luang delivered special message and spoke on the significance of resurrection of Jesus Christ. The event also included presentation of Easter Sunday drama, gospel song performances, and distribution of eggs inscribed with Bible verses. Christians from both hill and valley districts took part in the celebration, reflecting a spirit of unity among the people. It may be mentioned that Easter Sunday is being celebrated by Christians across the world to commemorate resurrection of Jesus Christ, believed to have risen on the third day after his crucifixion. The day holds deep spiritual significance as it symbolizes Christ's sacrifice for the redemption of humanity's sins and offers a message of hope, renewal, and salvation.